pom-poms, a little bit of stretchy cord, and this. I mean, how cute is this? Today we're making this adorable little ice cream cone necklace. They're quick, they're colorful, and they're calorie-free ice cream. What could be better? Plus, they're tiny and squishy and cost basically nothing to make. They make a great little gift, and they're perfect for Operation Christmas Child Shoeboxes. Grab your pom-poms, pick your favorite flavor, and let's turn a few simple craft supplies into something sweet enough to wear. You're going to need some pom-poms, which come in all sorts of sizes. For today's project, I'm going to be using 0.75-inch pom-poms. I also found some cute little tiny pom-poms that I'm going to use to put a cherry on top of the ice cream cone. You'll also need some light brown or tan felt for making the cone, a glue gun and some glue sticks, some stretchy cord in whatever different colors you would like, a pair of scissors, a darning needle or a needle that has a wider opening in order to fit your stretchy cord through to thread your necklace. First thing we're going to do is take all our pretty colored pom-poms and put our ice cream cones together. And I think at the end today, I'm even going to try a 3 ice cream scoop cone. And then I'm going to put the cherries on top just to see if I like the way the colors line up and how it's going to look as a finished ice cream cone. The first thing I'm going to do is fold our piece of felt in half at the corner, end to end, and then I'm going to measure up about 1.5 to 1 3/4 inches and make a mark, and that's equivalent to about 4.5 centimeters. So I'll make that mark on both sides of my piece of felt, and then I'm going to cut not straight across but kind of round it off as a cone would be rounded. Great thing about these little ice cream cones is you can make them in bulk. So while I have my felt here, I'm just going to use the piece I just cut and cut a few more and make up a couple cones at once. We're going to roll our piece of felt into a cone shape and then add our little pom-poms as our little ice cream scoops in there and kind of test out to see that they fit okay. Sometimes you might need to trim a little bit off the top. Once we know our ice cream scoops fit well, then we're just going to put a line of glue down one of the straight sides of our little ice cream cone, and we're going to curl it up into a cute little cone shape. Now we're just going to take a little look at it, trim it up to make sure it's a nice little cone shape. And then we'll move right on to our second one real quick. Roll that one up. So that's why this is a great little bulk way to do this craft. Just do a bunch at once. And then we're going to put some glue around that whole inside edge. Make sure we use plenty of glue in there. And then we're going to put our little ice cream scoop in there. Put a little dab of glue on top of our first ice cream scoop and put the other one on there. Press it down really good till it's dry. Get off any little pieces of glue. And there we go. We have our cute little ice cream cone. Next, we're going to take our large needle and thread our stretchy cord through there. And we're going to try and put it through the top ice cream scoop. You might have to push a little hard to get it through there. Make sure you get it right through the middle so it doesn't pull out. And then we're just going to string that all the way through and put a knot in the top of our stretchy cord to form our necklace. And then once we're done with that, we're just going to add a little bit of glue and put the cherry on top of our ice cream cone. Now to continue making a couple ice cream cones at once, we're going to go back to our strawberry and vanilla ice cream cone that we were working on earlier. And we're just going to glue those 2 little balls in. So our strawberry, drop of glue, vanilla, and then we're going to string it onto some elastic again. This time we're going to use some clear elastic. It is kind of tough to get it through there, so you just have to work it through and you get practice at it. Put the knot in the top, and then that one's finished. Now, one thing that I've found that you have to be aware of is certain pom-poms might not be put together as well. And you'll see I found this out when I went to string through the stretchy cord for the necklace. And as I stuck the needle through, the pom-pom started to fall apart. So you do have to be careful. There are varieties out there that could fall apart. Look at these little cuties. They're the sweetest, ice cream pun intended. So whether you're making one, a dozen, or enough to stock your imaginary ice cream store, they're a fun and simple way to use up some extra craft supplies. If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit that subscribe button to see more simple giftable craft ideas each week. Now go craft, go care, and I'll see you in the next video.